Hi, this is Santosh Ramachandran, CEO of Infinity Online Solutions. Welcome to the Infinity Build Your Brand Online Starter Kit. If you are a small business, a professional, a freelancer, or a coach, and you want to take your brand online confidently, you are in the right place. In the starter kit, I will guide you step by step through choosing a domain name for your brand, setting up a professional email, and setting up the look and feel for your website, and building your presence online. And don't worry, you don't need any technical skills. I will show you everything in simple terms with real screen recordings. You will see exactly where to click, what to choose, and how to build everything step by step. If this video is helpful, please like it, share it with someone who's starting their brand, and subscribe to our channel for more simple step-by-step online guidance for your brand. So then let's get started with our first lesson, choosing your domain name.